Today we are going to be making a paper one. So the things we would be needing is a paper and glue. That's it.
What is the glue? Look, can you show me? Can you show me again? Yeah, show me. Show it me. So this is the glue thing.
Just Fevistick.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. Let's fold it in half first. Okay, half. And then the other half.
Okay.
And then you flip the paper over and then do this half over here.
Okay, can I do it with you?
You're already doing it. We are recording.
I know we're recording, but I got a simple idea. We can,
Wait, no. You can just record.
Okay.
So you got it like this. Now just open this. It will become like this.
What do you mean this? It will become like this, and then it will become like this.
And now open this back and then flip this like.
Are you making a paper fan?
No.
That looks like a paper fan.
So after you got it like this, then you have to be making the half of this like this, and then you got to do the other half, and then now it came like this. After it came like this, okay, and now we would be doing like this. This is where you would be needing the glue. Okay, let's use the glue.
Wait, so people can't see, okay, so I'm kind of closely. So we applied glue at one end, and like that will come across the whole line.
1 minute. Okay, so you got glue in one side and just keep it like this.
I'll press it for you.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome. Oh.
Okay, so and then now the other side the same.
Okay, so this time we just apply the glue. Yeah, make it straight.
Yeah.
Make this straight.
Oh, that I thought the fold.
You gotta make it straight. Okay.
Okay, so after you're done putting on the glue, just do it like the same on this side. Okay, and now you have to be flipping over.
Do we need glue for that too?
No, I don't think so. No. So now you got it like this, and now you have to do it like this. And now something like this. So guys, there you have it, the paper wallet. You guys would be having like over here, and the end over here. So this is a reverse flip wallet. Forgot to tell you that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have 2 of them. So I'm going to be making more origami like this. Bye, all 2 legends.